Hello aspirants, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to India for IAS. This is Manjunath Mudhod. In this video, we are going to study about Dubai floods and cloud seeding techniques. This topic falls under GS1 paper Geography. GS1 paper Geography. Within Geography, it falls under Climatology. Within Geography, it falls under Climatology. So this topic, especially the cloud seeding techniques, it is important for prelims 2024. Why? Because in the year 2019 UPSC asked similar question. In the year 2019 UPSC asked similar question on cloud seeding. In this video we will try to study about the Dubai floods and the factors responsible for the heaviest rainfall in Dubai city. And one of the factors that mentioned in the newspaper regarding Dubai floods is cloud seeding. So we will also study in detail about the cloud seeding and its applications and the challenges associated with cloud seeding. Recently, that is on April 15, United Arab Emirates experienced its heaviest rainfall ever due to severe thunderstorm. So while studying about the nor'westers, so in one of our recent video, so that is nor'westers, so we have discussed about the thunderstorms. So if you want to know in detail about thunderstorms, you can watch the nor'wester video. The link of that video is provided in the description box. The following image shows that extent and severity of the floods in Dubai city because of the heavy rainfall that happened. So UAE, being an arid country which is located on the Arabian Peninsula, typically does not experience heavy rainfalls, although it can occur occasionally during cooler winter months. During this thunderstorm, over 142 millimeters of rainfall fell in the city in a single day, which is more than what Dubai typically receives in 1 year. In addition to Dubai, the another city, the city of Al Ain, which is located 130 kilometers from Dubai, this city also experienced a record rainfall of about 254 mm. And another city called Fujairah on the eastern coast of UAE, this city experienced 145 mm of rainfall. So, what we can take for examination from this news is the cities which are in news because of the severe rainfall and flooding. So, we have come across three cities of the UAE. The first one is Dubai, the second one is Al Ain, and the third one is Fujairah. So, these cities they are in news because they are affected by the floods and heavy rainfall. So now we will try to locate these cities on the map of the UAE. So this is the map of the United Arab Emirates. So United Arab Emirates, it is located in the Arabian Peninsula. So to the north of the UAE, we have Strait of Hormuz, and we have Persian Gulf here. Then the Tropic of Cancer, it passes through the UAE, United Arab Emirates. So the cities which are in news because of the flood and heavy rainfall are the first city is Dubai, which is located here. Then we have also came across Fujairah city, that is Al Fujairah. It is located in the eastern coast. Then we have studied about Al Ain city. So these cities are in news because of the flooding. Apart from these cities, we can also locate the Abu Dhabi. So this is located here. Then Sharjah city is here. So these are the few important cities from Dubai. So why? Because if any city or any place or any region which is in news because of some extraordinary things, whether it is because of the floods, storms, or cyclones or tsunami, or because of the conflicts, so such regions are asked in the examination in the form of pair based questions, so or match the following questions. So on one side they will give the city name, on the other side why it is in news. So such kinds of questions are being asked every year. So this topic is important in that perspective also. Now we will try to understand what led to the heavy rainfall in Dubai. So there are three reasons put forward for the heaviest rainfall in Dubai. So we will study one by one. The first reason is the storm system. So the heavy rains in Dubai were primarily caused by a storm system that is passing through the Arabian Peninsula and moving across the Gulf of Oman. UAE typically conducts the cloud seeding. So since it is a arid country, so it is a arid region, so it natural rainfall is a rare phenomena in UAE. So it typically goes for cloud seeding to get the rainfall. So that might be one of the reason for the heaviest rainfall. The third reason is climate change. So experts, that is the meteorological experts, they suggest that while the heavy rainfall in Dubai was triggered by a normal weather like storm system, but its exaggerated intensity is mainly because of the climate change. So we can quote Dubai heavy rainfall and flood as one of the example while writing the extreme weather events in the context of climate change. So, while studying the reasons for Dubai flooding, we have come across one of the factors responsible for heavy rainfall is cloud seeding. So, now we will study in detail about the cloud seeding. So, cloud seeding is the process of spreading dry ice or silver iodide aerosols into clouds to stimulate the precipitation and form rain. So the following image depicts the cloud seeding process. So first an aircraft injects the silver iodide or other substances into the atmosphere. Then this silver iodide chemical. So this mimics the particles that serve as a surface for condensation that creates the water droplets. So then condensation happens because of the provision of the condensation nuclei. Then once the condensation creates water droplets that are large enough, then rainfall happens. So this is the process of cloud seeding. The chemicals that are used are silver iodide or dry ice. Then there are three types of cloud seeding techniques. The first one is hygroscopic cloud seeding. Second one is static cloud seeding. Third one is dynamic cloud seeding. Now we will discuss them briefly one by one. The first one is hygroscopic cloud seeding. In hygroscopic cloud seeding, salts are dispersed into the lower portions of the clouds to stimulate the raindrop formation. So these salt particles they grow in size as they attract water. Then rainfall happens because of the condensation. So the second technique is static cloud seeding. It involves spreading a chemical like silver iodide into clouds. The silver iodide provides a crystal around which moisture can condense. The moisture is already present in the clouds, but silver iodide essentially makes rain clouds more effective at dispensing the water. So, this is about static cloud seeding. The third technique is dynamic cloud seeding. In dynamic cloud seeding, it aims to boost vertical air currents, which encourages more water to pass through the clouds, translating into more rainfall. The process is considered more complex than static cloud seeding because it depends on a sequence of events which work properly. So these are the different kinds of cloud seeding techniques. Then coming to the effect or impact of the cloud seeding techniques is increase in the rainfall rates by 10 to 30% annually. So now we will look into the applications of the cloud seeding techniques, the various applications of cloud seeding. So the first one is in the field of agriculture. So it provides rain to relieve drought-stricken areas. Example for this is Project Varshadri in Karnataka. It is in the year 2017. So in the year 2017, Karnataka government undertook a project called Varshadri. So it provided, because of this project and because of the cloud seeding, it provided rainfall to the drought-stricken areas in the Karnataka. So this cloud seeding enhanced the rainfall in the region and it contributed to the agricultural production. Then the second application is in the field of power generation. So it, because of the cloud seeding, the rainfall happens. So this rainfall contributes to the generation of hydroelectricity production. So this has been demonstrated in Tasmania, Australia for over the last 40 years. The third application is water pollution control. Cloud seeding causes rainfall. So this rainfall helps in maintaining the minimum summer flows in the rivers. So since there is a the continuous flow of water, this water dilutes the impact of the treated wastewater discharges in the river bodies. So thereby it helps to control the water pollution. Then the fourth application is for fog dispersal, hail suppression, and cyclone modification. So in USA in the year 1962, a project called Project Skywater. So this aimed at fog dispersal, hail suppression, and cyclone modification. So then coming to the sixth application, so tackling air pollution. So cloud seeding enhances the rainfall. So this rainfall settles down the toxic air pollutants through rain. So this has been demonstrated by Central Pollution Control Board. So for Delhi air pollution. Then the last application is with respect to tourism. Cloud seeding makes typical dry areas more hospitable, enhancing tourism. So these are the applications of the cloud seeding. Now we will briefly study about the challenges associated with cloud seeding. The first one is potential side effects. In cloud seeding, we are using chemicals like silver iodide, dry ice, and other salts. So these salts may be harmful to the plants, animals, and the people or other ecosystems or environmental systems. The second challenge is abnormal weather patterns. Cloud seeding might ultimately change the climatic patterns on the planet. Places that receive moisture might start experiencing drought due to artificial process of adding chemicals to the atmosphere to stimulate the rain. Then the third challenge is it is a costly process as it involves the expensive process like delivering chemicals into the sky and releasing them via flare shots or airplanes. Then the fifth one is pollution. Seeding agents like silver iodide, dry ice, or salt, they may contaminate the environment and contribute to the global warming. So these are the few challenges associated with cloud seeding. So this is about Dubai floods, the factors responsible for Dubai flooding, and cloud seeding, types of cloud seeding, its applications and challenges. So based on the topic that we have discussed so far, that is Dubai floods and cloud seeding technique. So here we have provided one practice question. Go through the question and comment your answer. The answer and detailed explanation for this question is available in the PDF handout. You can join the Telegram channel and download the PDF handout. The handout also contains the detailed notes of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.